Australia suspends defense cooperation with Myanmar over a military coup. A nationwide strike in Myanmar as the anti-coup campaign intensifies. The United States has asked the Afghan government to accelerate the stalled Afghan peace process. In Yemen, at least 8 migrants and guards have been killed and scores more injured in a fire at a holding facility in the capital Sanaa. Australia suspends defense cooperation with Myanmar in wake of growing violence. In the Central African country Equatorial Guinea, at least 15 people have been killed and 100 more injured in a series of explosions in the city of Bata. In India, thousands of women have joined farmer protests on the outskirts of Delhi today to mark International Women's Day. President of Pakistan Dr. Arif Alvi has emphasized women empowerment through better health and education, hereditary rights, and financial independence.